Hello everyone! Welcome back to Gecko's Garage. It's a beautiful, hot, sunny day and I've been making some improvements to our truck wash. The mechanicals are very proud of their new garden, but it looks like the plants need some water. It's not rained for a few days. Oh look! Here comes Sammy the school bus. Oh my, Sammy, you're covered in mud. Not to worry, we'll get you cleaned up at once. Mechanicals, ready the truck wash. Red, yellow, blue, and green. It's time to make this vehicle clean. Calm down, Green. It's just the truck wash. Are you feeling okay, Sammy? What's all that noise? Oh no! Sammy, your sunroof was open in the truck wash. You're full up with water and Green Mechanical's fallen in. Don't panic, Green. We'll have you out of there in no time. Sammy, open your doors to let the water out. All that water has shorted out Sammy's electrics. Electricity and water don't mix. Without his electrics, Sammy's doors won't open. What can we do to rescue Green? Of course, the sunroof. Quick, Mechanicals. I need some rubber hose, a barrel, a funnel, and an old tyre pump, please. Go, go, go! Okay, it's finished. Don't worry, Sammy. We'll soon have you dried out. Are you ready, Mechanicals? All right then, red and blue. Pump! There you go, Sammy. All better now. You'll soon dry out in the sun. Though next time you go for a truck wash, I'd suggest you keep your sunroof closed. Look, the Mechanicals are using the spare water on their garden. What a great idea. It'd be a shame to waste it. Thanks everyone for watching. For now, it's cheerio from Gecko. Bye! Hello everyone! Bobby the purple bus and Sammy the yellow school bus are here at the garage today for a respray. They work so hard that their paintwork is looking all scratched and scuffed. The Mechanicals will soon have them looking as good as new. Yellow Mechanical is setting the resprayer to use yellow paint, while Blue Mechanical gets Sammy ready to go through the machine. The yellow paint is spraying onto Sammy and, oh no! Blue Mech has sent the wrong bus through. Now Bobby's all yellow. Don't panic, mechanicals. To get Bobby back to normal, we need to mix some red and blue paint to make purple. Now purple paint is flowing, Bobby will soon be right as rain. But wait! That looks like Sammy! They've sent the wrong bus through again! Oh dear, this isn't right at all! The two buses are painted in each other's colours. Mechanicals, you need to fix this, quickly! No, mechanicals. That isn't what I said. Bobby should be purple, but you've set the paint to red. I don't think you mechanicals know what you have to do. Sammy should be yellow. So why did you choose blue? Bobby should be purple. Sammy should be yellow. Let's give this one more try. Oh, mechanicals. Pulling levers at random isn't the way to fix this. You need to think it through. Oh dear, those silly mechanicals. They just couldn't work together. And now they've broken the resprayer. That wasn't very clever. Our bus friends' colours still aren't right. They look amazing though. Painted all the colours of a dazzling rainbow. I think Bobby and Sammy would like to stay like this a while. They're off parading around the town to show off their new style. What a silly day we've had with the respray machine. Now those crazy mechanicals are painted in rainbow colours too. I'm sure everyone will be back to their normal colours soon. But until then, it's cheerio from Gecko. Bye! Hello everyone! Tilly and I have been doing some repairs here at the school. And now it's time to head back to the garage. The mini mechanicals have finished school for the day too. They're waiting for Sammy the school bus to take them home. Here's Sammy now. Hello, Sammy. Ooh, that door sounds squeaky. All aboard, Mini Mechs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There, you're ready to go. Oh dear, that doesn't sound right. Poor Sammy can't open his doors. They're stuck, and the mini mechs can't get out. We need to check your electrics, Sammy. Don't try and move. You might make things worse. It's a good job I was passing by with Tilly. We'll tow you to the garage. Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Let's all see what we can learn as we make Sammy turn. Sammy's doors won't open. The mini mechs are trapped inside. But what's wrong with Sammy? Are all his electrics fried? No, it's just his door at fault. Those hinges are all rusty. Let's get the mechs to take them off and fit ones that are more trusty. Go, go, mechanicals! Now the old doors have come off, the mini mechs can get out. But now all they want to do is play and run about. Careful now, don't touch that! Watch out for that hole! Red and green mechanical, get these kids under control! Green and red are struggling to keep those mini mechs from being silly. I think that they could use a hand from our friend Tow Truck Tilly. Her cargo bed can hold them safe to stop any more fuss. So we can think of what to do to help Sammy the school bus. We need to replace those old rusty doors with smooth new ones. But while we have Sammy here at the garage, I think we should install a surprise for the mini mechs to make getting off the bus more fun. There, the doors are all fixed. And the mechanicals have added an extra something special. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's drive these mini mechs home so they can try out the surprise. I'll follow you in Tilly to make sure everything's working okay. Hee, that's right. It's a surprise slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What a cool way to get off the bus. Thanks, Sammy. And thank you, little mechanical, for the hug. That's really very kind of you. I'm glad you liked the slide. And thanks to you for joining us today. I hope you had as much fun as the mini mechanicals did. We'll see you again soon. Bye!